Guys, I'm falling apart. I got pains everywhere.
And you can do this by hitting subscribe to this beautiful lady's channel. It's just to put away the distractions that we nobody's. She doesn't want to do the ab challenge this morning.
No, I literally couldn't sit up yesterday. I was bent over.
That's not how it goes. You have to do it every day, or hence it isn't a everyday challenge. You need me to help you through this.
I do. It's nice to have somebody to lean on.
Or push you.
Or push me. Oh, my shoulder hurts.
She's broken. We're just running. If we're pre-sweaty, it's because we were just running.
Yeah, I did run 1.5 miles, and I saved you that footage of having to watch us run. Sometimes I do some fun stuff with running, but this morning my phone was updating, and so I couldn't film.
Let's walk our way through this. Let's go 15 crunches. Let's go over on our bellies. Go 15 knee-ins. And then we'll come back over on our backs and we'll go 15 bicycles. 15, 15, 15.
Right.
Straight through.
Let's do it.
We'll just set the camera up and make this happen. You guys just missed all the mean things that she said to me. Sometimes having a workout partner isn't so nice.
15 crunches.
Here we go.
Oh my gosh, I don't even think I can do any.
You can.
Oh, my abs.
You can. This is for this, right?
Stop.
You're going to love it. 1, 2, imagine crushing your belly button
4,
into your thighs.
5, 6, and then you can imagine
8,
crushing your workout partner's head.
10, 11.
Oh, with your
12,
abs.
13, 14, promise? 15. Okay, here we go.
I see forces you to do more stuff.
Oh, I'm helping you through your challenge. Hold in plank position.
Oh.
I'm gonna turn just a little for you. You're gonna jump in. 1, 2, 3. Wait, 3.
I was gonna say,
4.
yes. He's not counting right. He's counting
6,
extra.
7, 8, 9,
Oh.
10.
So is it y'all's upper abs that are hurting you the most? Because that's where my biggest pain is.
14.
My upper
15.
abs.
Woo, back over onto your backs.
For bicycles.
Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Whew, we were totally out of focus that whole time.
He was trying to get my big old feet. Back down for crunches.
15 crunches?
15 crunches. And 1.
That counts.
You were going 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
I have one extra because I was sitting up.
Plank knee-ins.
Thrusters.
Yep.
Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Maybe I'll loosen up some of that lactic acid that's in my stomach muscles here.
9, 10, 11,
And
12,
stretch when I'm
13,
finished to loosen up a little
14.
bit.
15. Woo!
Oh, speaking of stretching. Oh.
Onto your backs.
Last exercise of our second set.
There's a little piece of Hershey wrapper that keeps ended up on my hand. And 1, 2, 3, 4.
Remember to try to get your elbows down on the outside.
7.
You're not necessarily worried about getting your knees in, but your upper body up, off of the ground,
13,
into the crunch position.
14, 15.
All right, we've got one more set left.
One more set. And she comes alive at the end.
I never thought we'd get here, but here we are
And down we go.
at the end.
That's half. Okay,
What?
let's just get it half.
Oh, I see.
Half
Yeah.
the crunch. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, almost 12, 13, 14, 15.
Oh, okay.
Maybe you're ready, baby.
Let's go.
1, 2,
I had to move my mat.
4,
I didn't want to trip on it again.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Whoa. Okay. Back down. Workout partner's here to push you.
Ugh.
You get what I'm doing there? You get it?
Shoving me over.
That's abuse. Okay. Here we go. There you
I'm turning. Holding myself.
go.
Ready?
Yeah.
All right.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
All right. I'm gonna roll it over for a little stretch.
Put your hands underneath your shoulders.
Okay.
All right.
I'm just kidding.
And then gently push up. Try to get your elbows down away from your ears.
Hey, a little mod there. If you can't do that, you can do this on your elbows. And once you can get there, then you can slowly begin to push up onto your hands. How far? And then that way, you're working your way
And
to all the way back. Okay.
all right, let's go back on our heels and stretch out. Yep. I am gonna go back one more time and do that. Out here. I like your sound effects.
I know. I was helping. Who needs After Effects when you've got Mini?
Right? Okay, that feels good. If you're not already following me on Instagram and Twitter, you need to be doing that. So you can get alerts daily. And you also need to subscribe to the channel and push the little bell.
I follow her around all day. I'm like, where's dinner? Hey, honey, I can't find my razor. Did I get new contact? I mean, like the whole thing. You do it too, like on Twitter, you'd be like, hey, where's my... And Sarah knows.
I'm pretty good at finding stuff. I have this magical touch. It's called the mom gene.
Guys, thanks for doing this with us on Sarah Marie Fitness. I'm Sasha Marie. No, I'm sorry.